Hi, how are you? You can see a nice frame here, and it's a complete wooden frame. And the color here, you can see it's a red color. We're going to draw a nice scenery painting here. You can see just putting outlines. Okay, to draw the mountains, you can see here. And the mountains, just the outlines, you can see putting the shades on the left side, and here putting the shades from the top to the bottom. Okay, drawing the other mountains here. Another one coming from the top to the bottom. All right, just putting it. Drawing the water lines with the blue color here. Putting some blue colors just to show the waters. And drawing some trees of the mountain trees here. Putting some outlines at the bottom to show the trees which is present in the scenery. Okay, and the pointy tree, just you can see coming to the top. Okay, these are the usual graphics of all the trees. In this place the trees are a little bit wider and bigger. Okay, and just putting more flow of the waters here, and some outlines of the trees like this one. If you like, you can put the reflections on the water with the white color, but that's not going to be the regular color pattern. That's going to be the some the uneven strokes of the brushes, just to show the reflections, because when the reflection falls on the water, it just because of the wave, the reflection is unsteady in some cases. Okay, also you can see it for the blue color, and for the reflection of the trees also it becomes like the unsteady reflections on the water, so like a shadow. Also doing the same for the third one. All right, so something looks like the landscape situated in the planet of the Mars. So that looks like a little bit science fiction here, because the color combinations is not the natural or the normal condition. It's like looks like a special conditions. So as you know, the imaginations is always runs wild. So in that case, we are going to put the sun like a orange color. Let's put the sun in an orange color, and then the drawing is going to be complete. Okay, so on top of the surface, we're just putting on the corners of the triangle. Okay, so there's the sun. All right, so there's the drawing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.